Action.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be making a rant. It's about the damn Sata connectors on Microsoft Xbox One S. So a lot of times what will happen is when you take off the Sata connector, the pins stay behind on the board, like they're supposed to. The plastic part of the connector is supposed to stay behind on the board too, but it doesn't. It stays on the cable. And you have to actually feed the pins back up into the connector. And they break off all the time. And it absolutely pisses me off. Because on the 360, at least some models of the 360 and a lot of other standing SATA ports I've seen, instead of having two solder points with little pins that go in there that hold the whole thing on, it also has little plastic pieces that go through, so that does not happen. That is my biggest pet peeve about the Xbox One. Also, fuck you, Microsoft. Hey guys, if you want to hear more about me being pissed off at large companies for doing stupid shit, or just using a part that they couldn't have foreseen it breaking, but it breaks anyways, be sure to hit like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below. Check out our forum for common fixes like this, if this actually happens to you. It's at text.store.